Axel Blaze is introduced as a prodigy, stoic, focused, and intensely serious about soccer. But underneath his cold exterior is a teenager waged by guilt and responsibility. After his sister Yuka was injured in a car accident, Axel blames himself and temporarily quits soccer. This is a clear manifestation of self-imposed guilt, a common trait in individuals with hyper-responsibility schemers, a cognitive distortion where someone takes on more responsibility for events than is rational. He believed that by playing soccer, he indirectly caused harm, so he chooses to remove himself from the things that he loved the most, sacrificing his personal joy for what he sees as atonement. Axel rarely shows emotion. His speech is calm, his action calculated, and he keeps others at a distance. This is a typical example of emotional suppression, a defense mechanism where individuals avoid vulnerability to protect themselves or others. For Axel, emotion is a risk, a sign of weakness that could distract him from his goal or hurt others again. Yet his protectiveness isn't cold, it's rooted in deep care, especially for his sister and later his teammates. It embodies the guardian archetype, emotionally repressed but driven by fierce loyalty and internal passion. Throughout the series, Endo, Mark Evans, and others push Axel to opponents to trust and to forgive himself. As he gradually rejoins the team and reclaims soccer for himself, he begins to move past self-punishment and into acceptance. He doesn't forget his guilt, but he learns to live with it. This mirrors the psychological concept of post-traumatic growth where individuals emerge from. This mirrors the psychological concept of post-traumatic growth where individuals emerge stronger and more emotionally resilient after processing trauma. By the time we reach Inazuma, Japan, Axel is no longer the lone wolf. He is a pillar of strength for others, a mentor and a true leader, not by controlling emotion but by balancing it with reason.